Hey guys, what's going on? It's AMAR here from Hilliard Wheels. Today's video topic is going to be hidden messages and secret writings in the back of wheels that can tell you a lot about the wheel, where it's made, who made it, the style number, and a lot of other top secret things that the wheel company is not telling you. So hidden messages and secret writings in the back, here we go. So right off the bat we have this 22-inch wheel here, as you can see. I'm going to zoom in to actually, this is the wheel that we'll be talking about. So this is the wheel here, 18-inch off-road. As you can see, everyday black and machine wheel, looks very nice. But you don't know where it's made, you don't know what the style of the rim is, you don't know the specs, nothing. But I'm going to show you the secret writings in the back of the wheel, on any wheel, that can help you find a wheel or relocate a wheel. So right off the bat, let's get started here, ladies and gentlemen. Every single rim that has TUV certification or SAE certification has to be stamped with these markings in the back of every single wheel. Now they're stamped in the forgings when the wheel is made. So right off the bat, guys, we have ET here. ET is offset. It's stamped 0, so it says 0 offset. Maximum PSI what this wheel is rated for, which is 60 PSI. So if you blow up a tire that has up to 60 PSI, this rim can withstand the pressure. If you go over, then it's a safety risk. This rim has a capacity of 2,500 pounds per wheel. So if this 4 wheels are on this vehicle, this is made for Hummer too, so this has a 1,000-pound weight rating. So each corner can take 2,500 pounds up to factory specifications. Also has it converted. So there's two different things. There's a 5/6H. Now that's for a 5 or 6 bolt. Now this is an 8-bolt rim. Okay. So 8H, which means that this is rated at 3,600 pounds per wheel. So 3,600 pounds, we're looking at over 12,000 pound weight capacity, which is great for Hummer H2. Now, based on if it's an 8 or 6 bolt, this wheel can also accommodate up to 80 PSI. SAE certification, that this certified wheel meets all safety standards. Another hidden barcode, which is for the manufacturer when they produce it. And over here we have made in China. And the last important piece of information right there, that is the manufacturer. This is who made the rim, not the company of rim, but who made it. So this was made at Baodi Wheel Factory in China. The model of this rim is a 0739. So a lot of times you'll see wheel manufacturers will call a rim, for example, they'll call a rim, let's say Joker 0739 or Joker 739. So if you look up this manufacturer here, you definitely can Google them and it'll pull up this exact wheel style that you'll see on their website, which will then you can track down the company that made this and look it up. So thanks for watching. This is AMAR from Hilliard. Have a good day.